This is Sandals La Toc, one of the sister properties of Sandals that we're visiting today. Nice beach area. Very nice beach area. Not too many people are out today, but that sound of the ocean, or actually this is the Caribbean Sea, the sound of that water is really relaxing. Really relaxing. People out sunbathing. I like this waterfall. This waterfall is nice. So if we come back, it's a good possibility that we'll stay at this one this time. Sandals La Toc. Wifey over there taking pictures. Yeah, this is really nice. Really nice.